Hey beauty activists! So today I have an awesome tutorial video for you. It's how to do the long ponytail updo. So we all know what happens when we tie our hair up. We often lose a lot of our length and our ponytail doesn't look as long as we want. So I got some awesome ninja tricks that are going to help you and help your clients when you're doing their hair to give them a long ponytail if that's what they want. And who doesn't want to have a long, luscious ponytail? Okay, so stay tuned. I'm going to show you step by step how we do that. First, a little housekeeping though. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, hit that little bell. We're putting out new videos every Friday, so you'll get notified. Also, if you guys have any questions throughout the video, leave a comment below. We will make sure to get right back to you with an answer. Also, check out our sister channel, Dollar Eyelash Club. We have makeup tutorials, makeup hacks, holistic beauty tips, all on that channel, so subscribe as well. And go check out our products at nvenn.com. Okay, so we have beautiful products that are going to make your hair shinier, softer, and healthier, so you don't want to miss that. If you guys want to win free products, we put out a monthly giveaway every single month, and go to nvenn.com/giveaway and you can enter to win products for free. Awesome. Okay, let's get started. Let's start by backcombing the hair. This is very important for any updo to put the volume in first, okay? The backcombing is going to act as a foundation for the updo, and it's much easier to start doing this prior to doing any pinning so that we can get the shape and the volume of the hair perfectly. You want to hold the hair straight up from the head and make sure that you are backcombing into compact sections. So backcombing is not knotting the hair. You're going to be putting the comb into the hair, pushing down all the way to the base, and then you're going to start again at the top and push down all the way onto the base. On top of that, you're going to create a very compact section of backcombing that is not going to move, but also is going to be easy when you need to brush out. We're going to be using our nvenn Fix Flexible Working Hairspray. It's a super strong hold, but very soft to touch, flexible moving hairspray. So it's going to give us that good backcombing and that lift and stay, but it's going to be soft in the hair. It's not going to be rock hard and crunchy, and it'll be easy for Sandy to brush out later. Once the backcombing is in place, we have these now compact sections where the backcombing sits. We are going to use our thumb and pointer finger and we're going to spread these apart. Okay, we're just going to expand these so they're not so tight and that they are a little bit fluffier. Now what we're going to do is we are going to run our comb gently across the top, and we're going to just make sure that along the top of the hair we don't see any of the backcombing underneath. We want the very top layer of the hair to look very smooth and to look very put into place. You should see once the backcombing is done that the very top of the hair looks very nice and smooth and you do not see any backcombing peeking through. We need to start with the end in mind, and what we know is that Sandy wants to have some hair out in the front and she doesn't want it all pulled back. So we're going to leave that out now. She's going to have a fringe in the front that's going to be curled, as well as some pieces along the sides. Now with the backcombing all done, we're going to check from the front and make sure that it's all symmetrical. Make sure you adjust your backcombing anywhere that you need to so that you have it even on both sides. Next, we are going to be pulling back the hair to put into a ponytail. We are going to be taking the top half of the head, so just above the ears all the way back, and we're going to be tying it up into a half pony. Using a thin elastic, we're now going to tie the hair into place. We want to make sure that we're maintaining the shape and the volume in the hair. So hold the hair into place, wrap the elastic around the pony, and tie tightly into place. Tying the top half of the head first into a half pony allows us to get it in very tight to maintain the volume of the hair. This is going to allow the ponytail to not be too heavy and weigh it down. Double check again from the front that the hair and the volume is all symmetrical, and then after you tied it that nothing went out of place. Moving on, we are going to take the second part of the ponytail, which is going to be a continuation from the last section, from the top of the ear down to the bottom corner of the nape. This is only going to be leaving a small strip of hair down the center nape of the back of the pony. We're going to do that on each side, and we're going to pull it up to the pony and wrap around and tie again with an elastic, so that we have one ponytail all together. From the underneath of the ponytail, I'm going to be taking out one strand of hair. We're going to pull this strand of hair out and use this to wrap around the elastic so that it camouflages the elastic and it looks like we have this beautiful tie around of her own hair to camouflage the hair tie. Pin the hair into place, making sure to hide the pins so they're not visibly seen. We are going to curl the hair because this is going to be a little bit more of a formal ponytail updo, so we want it to look a little bit fancier. We're going to be curling all the hair around the front and on the sides, and then we're going to be curling the ponytail as well. Now with this very last section of hair that's hanging down the center nape, you have a couple options. Sometimes if you want, you can actually just leave it hanging down and it is camouflaged fairly well by the ponytail as well. I'm going to just gently pin it up a little bit higher just so we can see the neck and the nape very nice and clean, but we're not going to be pinning up the hair all the way to the length of the pony. What this last piece of hair is going to do is going to act as a ponytail extender so that when you're looking at the hair from behind, it looks like it's super long in the ponytail. We are going to finish the hairstyle now with Fix again. This is the flexible working hairspray. It's going to give it the strength to hold the style throughout the night, but it's still going to have that softness and be able to move around. We're going to make sure in the back nape section here that all the baby hairs and all the fine hairs are put into place and sprayed so that we have a nice clean look. There you guys have it. That is the long ponytail updo. So it is a beautiful updo that you can actually dress up or dress down. So great for a lot of different occasions. Try this look out for yourself, guys. This is a super ninja hair trick to make your ponytail look longer. So really simple to do, and we get that really beautiful long luscious ponytail look that sometimes we're always striving to achieve. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment below. It will be directly to us and we'll make sure to get that answered for you. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. We're putting out new videos every single week. Hit that little bell. You'll get notified when we launch new videos. Also, go check out nvenn.com. That is our product line. You guys will absolutely love this product line. It will make your hair feel softer, shinier, healthier, and you will love them. So go check them out. If you guys want to win free products, enter our monthly giveaway. It's at nvenn.com/giveaway. We give out free products every single month. Okay. Other than that, guys, I love you. Make sure you go out there and change the world through hair and beauty. I guess I'll see you guys next week. Bye, beauty activists.